If you've ever opened a spreadsheet in LibreOffice Calc and realized one or more columns have disappeared, don't worry, they're usually just hidden, not deleted. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to unhide columns in LibreOffice Calc in just a few simple steps. This is a quick and easy fix that can save you time when you're working with data, tables, or imported spreadsheets. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. Once it launches, you'll see the Start Center where you can create a new file or open an existing one. If you want to work in a new spreadsheet, click Calc Spreadsheet under the Create section on the left side. If you already have the file you need, just open your existing spreadsheet instead. Now, look for the hidden column. Since it is hidden, you won't be able to click it directly, so the key is to select the columns around it. For example, if column C is hidden, click and drag to highlight the columns on either side, like B and D. This tells Calc where the missing column is located. After selecting the surrounding columns, right-click on the highlighted area. A menu will appear with several options. From that menu, click Show. This is the command that makes hidden columns visible again. As soon as you click Show, the hidden column will reappear between the columns you selected. You can now see and edit the data again just like normal. If more than one column was hidden, this same method will bring them back as long as they are included within the selected range. If the column still doesn't appear, double check that you selected the correct columns on both sides of the hidden section. Sometimes when working with large spreadsheets, it's easy to miss the exact location. Just select the nearest visible columns, right-click, and choose Show Again. And that's all there is to it. You've now learned how to unhide columns in LibreOffice Calc in a fast and simple way. This is one of those basic spreadsheet skills that can really help when you're cleaning up data or reviewing worksheets created by someone else. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.